Alright, welcome back guys to another new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to clean your pipe top in your face basin. So for instance, you always know that your pipe running really fast and all of a sudden it started running really slow. So I'll be showing you how to clean your filter in your pipe top. So what you're gonna need a pick tool to clean this strainer, and also a vice grip. So you can get a vice grip at one of your local dealer store like AutoZone, O'Reilly, or other hardware stores. So first, what you're gonna do, you're gonna adjust the vice grip. You can hold it, but you don't want to lock it too tight. You're gonna damage it. So take your time and gauge it and turn. So when you feel it loosen, you turn it like this and remove it. So as you can see, there's some little dirt in there. I don't sure what this is, but this is really a tough piece of plastic. So as you can see, it's really dirty now. So what you're gonna do, just turn on your pipe and wash it off. You also remove it like this from the housing and clean it away. So I'm using the pick tool to clean the edges. So you can see these things from the chlorine coming off it. So you can use anything so long as you can clean it. So you can get a piece of cloth and do it like this. I have to remove the old chlorine that forms across on it. Clean it away. Okay, so now this is clean. So I'm going to sit it right here. And then now this is the strainer. Okay, so my strainer is clean. As you can see, it's clean. Just a little thing that formed from the chlorine. Yeah, so you can also remove this piece right here. So you can get something real fine. To pick it away, remove it. So now I remove it and it's really clean. So I'm going to fit it up back and wash it out. And you can also check if there's anything else in there like this. So as you can see, there's a little piece up in there. So you can use a pick tool to remove it out a little. Also have a seal in there. This big O-ring seal. So I'm going to put it back in there. So now I'm going to put in back the strainer. And screw it in back. And I'm going to use the vice grip to turn it, lock and turn. You don't want to squeeze it too much to damage it. So I'm gonna turn it till I feel it a bit tight and then stop. And all set. So you won't have no more slow running water like this, like that. That's how the water should run. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.